That might be. I don't know. We've got John in the Weather Center with a look. Good morning, John.
Yeah, and after several days of rainfall, James, any additional rainfall falling on saturated ground already, a lot of that starts to run off, and thus your risk of flooding increases. And that's exactly what we've seen, especially these past 24 hours. Ground's already saturated, so small streams become swollen. A lot of standing water on roadways. All things to think about this morning. This morning, can't see much of the East Bay Hills camera. It's just really clouded in right now. We do have a slew of advisories across the bay. Along the Bayshore, coastal flood advisories. Flood watches across areas in light green from the South Bay to the Central Valley. We do have flood warnings up in the Santa Cruz Mountains. A lot of those smaller streams running up through the redwoods on those slopes. Definitely swollen this morning. And then we also have the Russian River right around Santa Rosa on up towards Guerneville. A flood warning up there. We do have reports of water rising above flood stage and some localized flooding around Guerneville and Monterey. Where we're sitting currently on satellite and radar, we do have a brief lull in rainfall for a lot of spots. We will see spotty showers through the rest of the day, though, so just because it might not be actively raining where you're at, no guarantee it stays that way. Our most active area in the bay right now is definitely the South Bay. If you are traveling 680 from Sunol on down through Milpitas, eventually to San Jose, we've got some spots of heavy rain around there. Both 580 and 101, as well as 280 moving on into the peninsula, are also looking very wet this morning. Pockets of heavy rainfall currently right around Sunnyvale, Los Altos, moving down towards Santa Clara. So definitely still a lot to be talking about. You can see that this heaviest of rainfall, the most widespread, begins to move out gradually. But just because that's happening doesn't mean that we won't see spotty showers and the potential of even a roll of thunder amidst some of these isolated showers into the afternoon today. We will have peaks of sunshine which will allow convective activity to form more and more, bringing that potential of an inland thunderstorm especially. Tonight, we dry things out, and look at this, a nice break for you on Tuesday. Tuesday is going to be a much better day to step outside before a resurgence of rainfall moves back in during Wednesday morning. Likely to see another wet commute as we start the day then. As for rainfall totals, rest of the day today, your rainfall totals will be very spotty again because we will see that chance of isolated showers building, so localized amounts could be higher than an area just right down the road. We're going to see even more rainfall midweek, so we're going to add up those rainfall totals even further as we move later on this forecast. James was also talking about the Sierra Snow Lab, all that snow that's piled up, 6 inches since Saturday at that location. We are seeing an additional 1 to even 2 feet at the crest of the Sierra throughout the course of this upcoming week. So snow will continue for the Sierra Nevada. We do have a winter storm warning still actively in effect today as you're heading up into the mountains. Today's daytime highs will be relatively mild, a lot of low 60s out there. Oakland and Fremont at 61, while Hayward at 62. And a look ahead shows similar temperatures tomorrow. Wednesday, we do cool down back into the 50s for most areas, along with some showers moving through. Likely to see some more showers into Friday and Saturday as well. Brittany's in for Raina this morning with a look at the roads, and a lot of issues out there, right, Brittany?
Oh, yeah, we were really busy.